Boca, say hi. This is Boca Preta. She's a street dog. Boca Preta means a black mouth. She's been here 3 years at least. And she still looks like she never eats. She doesn't eat dog food. She eats dog leftovers, human leftovers. She's a very lucky dog. I don't feel very safe petting her, and this is the closest I've ever let her get to me. But it's Boca Preta. She's my homie. He is my homie, even though I always say she. Tiago, who is this? Boca! Ah, Nutella, huh? The chocolate sandwich. She's looking for a chocolate sandwich.